Besides having a good website that really represents well your business, you also need to have what is soon going to be the top form of communication online, which is video. Video can be as simple as what you're looking at right now, or it can be as complex as those big Hollywood commercials that are produced for the Super Bowl or for other big events every year. The catch is that a lot of people that are going to be looking at your website don't have a lot of time, and they also don't have the attention span to be really reading to all the content, especially if they're looking at it from a mobile phone or another form of mobile device. What I believe is the answer is something as simple as a short video that actually explains it in a concise, fast, and effective way. And I'm sure that you're already envisioning something for your company or your product. You can go about it in a couple different ways. One, you can purchase all the equipment, do all the research and actually learn how to use the equipment, plus also learn about like the different techniques of how to write a proper script, how to do the marketing side of it, how to put it all together, and then create your own videos. We already have the studios, we already have all the knowledge, we already have all the marketing experience. All we need is just a little bit of information from you, and we'll turn that into a proper script and something that will deliver and bring all the leads and sales generations that your company needs.